Yeah, Andres, they changed it, which I find very stupid. That holding it is just to recenter. The quick tap brings up the menu now. They've changed it completely. Like you don't have the whole. You don't have the hold, and then you can flick around to whatever you're doing. You can't do that anymore.
I think for new people, it's actually a lot better. But yeah,
it's better for new people. It's not better for us.
Yeah. When you're trying to explain it, it's a bit easier.
Okay. Right.
Okay. So, do you kind of know where you're going then for next sprint?
Yeah.
Start with Leon.
Yeah. Well, same. To get up to this level, really, like that's the whole plan. But no, there's progress anyway, though. The fact that the two people are in the room and connecting is good. I just have to figure out the camera issue.
Okay.
Once that camera thing is fixed, should be at this stage at least. Maybe without the voice chat, but be as far as this.
Okay.